I've got a new nickname here. They're calling me 100 meters because they said when the cop came that night, I did the 100-meter dash, which of course I didn't. I walked. My previous nickname was Lin Camera, as I'm always, taking videos and talking to myself. But now that they've gotten to know me better, they know lah that I'm talking to my friends and not to myself. But now I'm known as 100 meters. Definitely won't be able to do the 100-meter dash tonight. But it's a huge welcome. The rain. It's been hot lately. Tropical. This is what you get. It's now 8:20. Only 8:20. Once it slows down a bit, yeah, I will go home. I got my raincoat with me, so don't worry. Plan for tomorrow morning is post office to pay the bills. You all saw amount of junk mail and letters and bills that I took out from the post boxes. Okay. Jimmy has gone back. And uncle and auntie are not in good terms. So yeah, bit of a drama here.